Friends, right now you have two choices. First, stay in debt, don't study, work like a servant all your life, stay up until 3 a.m. scrolling on social media, wake up the next day with low energy, eat junk food, don't exercise, watch yourself get fat and unattractive in the mirror, and ruin your life. Or the second choice is to watch this video without skipping and follow these 15 simple habits for just 21 days. Life gives you only two chances. Either run away or face it head on. If you're a loser and a coward, skip or close this video right now. But if you truly want to change your life and have the courage, watch this video with your full attention, because your life is about to change. This video might be a bit long, but I guarantee that the time you invest will be worth it. Yes, you can change your entire life by changing your habits. I humbly request you to follow these habits blindly for just 21 days, and then compare yourself to see how much you've improved in 21 days. So let's get started. Number 1, wake up early in the morning. Develop the habit of waking up early. If there's one habit that every successful person follows, it's getting out of bed at the first ring of the alarm. If you get out of bed at the first ring of the alarm, make your bed and start your day with a positive attitude. Believe me, there's nothing in the entire day there won't be any challenge that you can't overcome. Waking up early in the morning shows how much willpower you have. In your life, achieving your dreams is very important. Waking up early means extra time, extra energy, extra effort that will always give you something extra in life. If you're forced to stay late in bed, set your alarm 5 minutes earlier daily. For example, if you wake up at 9 a.m., set tomorrow's alarm for 8:55, the day after for 8:50, and the next for 8:45. By reducing just 5 minutes daily, you can start waking up early and always stay ahead. Always keep learning something new to stay ahead in your field. Successful people experiment with all kinds of things to achieve their dreams. Always be ready to learn something new, as it could help you reach your greatest heights. Never say always keep learning. Listening to someone who speaks less and listens more benefits them greatly. When a person speaks less, their power of thought is more powerful than the first situation they can easily deal with. Number 5, learn to take calculated risks. In this world, the biggest risk is not taking risks. If you are not taking risks, then you are taking a very big risk to ruin your life, or there is a risk of death where you are today. Friends, overcome the fear of taking risks from your heart. What will people think? People will make fun. Your time will be wasted. Your money will be wasted. Or this. This is true to say that a human being is born till death. Only 3 things are needed: bread, cloth, and a house, which is nothing more difficult than this. Besides that, whatever you have is extra. If you also give it, then you will also be old and the gallows of death. But our goal is not to reach the opposite of a loser or a coward, but to face every challenge like a real warrior. By taking all kinds of risks, create something worth, which will benefit both you and yourself. Understand yourself. You give yourself a lot of time. How much do you think in your head? Manage your present. Think a lot in your future. Sit quietly for just 10 minutes a day, alone in this big, what is going on in your life? Where did you come from? Where are you now, and where do you want to go? Your biggest requirement and the biggest challenge today, no other person can understand better than you. Understand this: if a person can understand you, when feelings are moving inside your mom right now, at this time, no one else can feel it. It's only you. It's only your thoughts. It's only you. Attitude Vitch is always with you. Just give yourself only 10 minutes in these 10 minutes. No other person is with you. I'll give you a smartphone or any other person around you. If not, if you only have a book, talk to yourself. Ask yourself what you want. Speak the truth. I am right, so right. Keep in mind the one who will take care of this, right? Sound crazy. But before judging me, you have to try. Number 7, learn to take decisions and take action based on those decisions. How many distances have you left pending till today? How many distances are very necessary for you to take, but you do not want to take decisions whether you want to stay in this relationship or not? Do not want to take decisions whether you want to leave this job or not? Do you want to take biology or math? Do you want to do nursing or engineering? Do you want to become a pilot or officer? Learn to take decisions. Not taking decisions is many times worse. Will you take one decision and then try to prove it right? Once you have made a decision, start the message action. Whatever super successful person takes their decision and the time gap of action, that becomes almost zero. If you have taken a decision at 11 o'clock at night, if you have made any plan that will reduce it to 11 seconds, then you have to support the decision to show number at its time effectively. Time is a balance that is always less. It is a constant that we can run with, but we cannot run behind it and we cannot get ahead. Today, whatever's going on in your life, you have to face it with time. Learn to walk, and the most important thing for you in today's time is to reduce it. You should go in time flow. Once, if you fall behind the sixth, then that will never happen. You who are sleeping will definitely not be on the day, and who are awake will run. We are all when we are born, so start our timer of life and start counting backwards. From one way, it is not running the process of our living, but running our process. If you are concentrating on your dream, if you want to do your work on your less, distraction is equal to concentration. Whatever unnecessary troubles you are dealing with, remove them, buddy, because if you get entangled in them, your dreams will just remain dreams. Spend money wisely. Look around your room once. See how many items you bought in enthusiasm are now gathering dust. Open the wardrobe and see how many clothes you bought but wore only a couple of times. Whenever you feel like buying something, tell yourself that you'll think about it for 10 days and then decide. See if it's an unnecessary purchase. After 10 days, you'll probably change your mind. Save money, buddy. It's the hard-earned money. If it's not yours, it's your family's hard-earned money. Save as much as you can. Invest the money and then spend from the profits. This is called a masterpiece financial plan. Earn, save, and then use that money wisely. It will make you a healthier person in the long run. Ignore unnecessary troubles. Spend your money wisely. Spend money positively and ignore negative things in your life. A great person once said, "You are the average of your 5 friends. Meet me through your 5 friends, those people with whom you have to sit and walk. And I will tell you how you are, what you think, and what your future will be like." The company around you has a great impact. It's better to be alone, because these are the people who like the heat in winters and heat in rains. Negative people are never happy, and don't let anyone else be happy. Everyone has the right to be happy and free. You should stop negative self-talk like, "My luck is like this," or "This had to happen to me." Well, as much as successful people have seen a positive person inside them and ignored negative people's comments, you should also do the same. Learn to journal. If anything comes to your mind, note it down. Learn to write notes in your life's journey. Write down all those things where you want to see yourself in May 10th, 20 years. Write in your diary where you want to spend your old age, in which level you want to spend it. Write down in detail about today, if you have any shortcomings and how much you want to overcome them in the next 6 months. Write about their greatness. When my mom comes up with an idea for a video, I also immediately note it down. Because if an idea is missed once, understand it's gone. So start journaling, stay fit, and adopt a healthy lifestyle. Exercise for an hour daily on the Move app. It will not only make you fit, but also attractive. You will show more confidence. Your body will stay fit, and you will progress faster in your life. Eat healthy and nutritious food. Control your calories. Meditate. Do yoga. Stay away from all bad habits. Number 14, don't be friends with a person who runs while smiling. Because everyone has their own problems in life. Because inviting sorrow for free in your life, brother, always smile for this. And if you keep smiling, you may show a ray of hope in this world. It is possible that someone else may forget their pain by smiling inside you. Now, smiling does not mean showing your teeth 24 hours a day. Smiling means being happy all the time. Stay positive. Always think that you are very happy, you are very lucky, and there is never anything missing in your life. So you can fulfill in cap means you are capable of doing date. So friends, this was the 14 most simple yet powerful habits that will create a pack in your life and help you become your best version. Now I want 15 habits to comment on me and tell me which habits are most important to you. In this list of 15 habits in the list, added power. If you're watching so far, don't go without liking the video. Thank you for watching.